Next question is, in an economy, if marginal propensity to save is 12%, productivity of capital is 25%, and GDP is equal to 150 billion a year, then based on Harrod model, to maintain full employment, at what rate income must grow? Options are being given. We need to find out the correct option. Okay, so what we are being given? We are being told that marginal propensity to save, which is equal to what we call, which is here 12%. So this is our what we call the saving ratio, also saving income ratio, which is equal to 12%. Productivity of capital, what we also call the marginal productivity of capital, it is being given as 25%, and income is being given as 150 billion. We need to find out, to maintain full employment, we need to find the rate at which income must grow. So the basic Harrod equation is that growth of income, that is denoted by G subscript Y, should be equal to savings income ratio, that is S, upon the incremental capital output ratio. Okay, so savings S upon ICOR, this is the equation for growth rate of income to maintain in case of Harrod model. Now marginal propensity to save is 12%, that means our this is our S. Now what is incremental capital output ratio? Incremental capital output ratio is the ratio of investment to growth, which is equal to the reciprocal of the marginal product of capital. Okay, so our ICOR is actually the reciprocal of the marginal product of capital. What does it tell us? It simply tells us higher the ICOR, or higher the incremental capital output ratio, lower the productivity of capital will be, or the marginal efficiency of capital. Okay, so what will be ICOR? That is 1 upon marginal product of capital is 25%, so it is equal to 1 upon 0.25, which is equal to 1 divided by 25 upon 100, which comes out to be 100 upon 25, which is equal to 4. So our incremental capital output ratio is 4. So our growth rate of income should be equal to, so we have 12% as marginal propensity to save, which is 12% upon the incremental capital output ratio, which we calculated it as 4, so which will become 3%. Okay.